नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अभिषेक दासगुप्ता. Welcome back to Ask RBH. On this special episode for World Heart Day, we have our Director Cardiac Surgery, Dr. Alok Mathur, Rukmini Birla Hospital. Thank you, sir, for joining us on this show. On this World Heart Day, let us start with, sir, आपकी दिल की बात.
दिल की बात इतनी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है नहीं जितना हम देखा है पिछले कुछ सालों में बन गई है. हर तरह की एडवाइस, हर तरह की व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटीज़ और बहुत सारे भ्रम या फैलेसीज पॉपुलेशन में हम लोग देखते हैं. बट दिल एक बहुत ही स्टर्डी ऑर्गन है और आपकी सारी ज़िंदगी आपके साथ पंप करता है, बिना ऑब्जेक्ट करे पूरी लाइफ आपके साथ रहता है. उसकी केयर के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है. एवरीथिंग इन मॉडरेशन एंड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ एक्सरसाइज, दैट्स इट. मैं जो हार्ट चेकअप कराने आते हैं उनको यही कहता हूँ कि 24 घंटे में से 1 घंटे अपने दिल के लिए निकाल लीजिए, 23 घंटे आपके जो मनाए करिए. सो 1 hour ऑफ एक्सरसाइज इन वट एवर एक्सरसाइज यू वांट, यू लाइक, वॉकिंग, साइकिलिंग, दे आर ऑल द सेम. द पर्पस इज दैट योर हार्ट शुड बी वर्किंग फॉर 1 hour. सो वन इज़ दैट. देन मॉडरेशन इन डाइट, सब खाइए. तो एक्सेसिव किसी भी चीज़ का खराब है. मॉडरेशन इन कंट्रोल ऑफ डायबिटीज़ एंड हाइपरटेंशन. बीपी और डायबिटीज़ इंडिया में सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है जो अब हार्ट को तंग करती हैं. और जो सबसे चीज़ है, एब्सोल्यूट नो टू टबैको. आई थिंक इंडिया में जो एक एपिडेमिक आया हार्ट डिजीज़ का, उसके लिए ये 2-3 चीज़ें ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं. और वो टर्न अराउंड हो रहा है. यंगर जनरेशन बहुत कॉन्शियस है. टबैको, डायबिटीज़ एंड लैक ऑफ एक्सरसाइज, ये 3 चीज़ें ही हैं जो हार्ट को तंग करती हैं. अदरवाइज़ ये ऑर्गन इतना स्टर्डी है कि आपको ज़िंदगी भर बिना पता लगे पंप करता रहेगा और कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं करेगा.
सो सर, हार्ट आपने बोला इट्स वेरी स्टडी, इट्स वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, इट्स वेरी सो फॉर द सिटी ऑफ जयपुर, द पिंक सिटी, वी आर हियर टुडे सेलिब्रेटिंग पिंक हार्ट 2.0. गेटिंग बैक टू पिंक हार्ट 2.0, सर, कार्डियक सर्जरी, you are director of cardiac surgery. With your knowledge, we would like to understand some of your thoughts. My question to you is that people are a bit afraid when we talk about cardiac surgery. Surgery नहीं, लोग डर जाते हैं. There is डर of pain, there is डर of cost, there is डर of complexity, there is डर of afterlife, after surgery life, right? So we would like to understand Jaipur, the pink city. Are we ready to tackle all this afraidness or this scaredness of people who are having this problem, and how advanced we are in tackling heart diseases, the surgical problems?
I think that's a question that I am very, very frequently asked. कि हार्ट की ऑपरेशन, हार्ट सर्जरी, everybody is afraid of heart surgery. It sounds ominous. There's going to be incision, there's going to be pain, there's going to be some time in recovery, and there is always a risk to life during cardiac surgery. Having said that, phenomenal advances have been made in the last 25 years that I have been performing cardiac surgery in this city, in the sense that more than 20 centers now do cardiac surgery in our city alone. And out of them, I think the top 5 or 6 would be comparable to any center in the world, with the facility of infrastructure, of expertise, of personnel, of hardware available, of the total experience available. I think we would compare to any city in the world. And so this has come as a welcome change for people living in Rajasthan and Jaipur. Heart surgery per se has also made phenomenal advances. We have seen so much technical advances in the last few years. The medication for reducing pain, the techniques, the instruments, more and more of minimally invasive cardiac surgery in which we don't cut the breastbone or the sternum as we technically call it, but go in between the ribs. So there is very less pain and the recovery is very fast. And a lot of diseases which were supposed to be incurable for Rajasthan are now being tackled here, including small children, heart disease for small children, heart disease for what we call aortic disease, aortic dissections, aneurysms, We have heart transplant centers coming up, ventricular assist devices. The whole works is developing in Jaipur. So to answer your question, I think most of advanced cardiac surgery is now available pretty much in Pink City.
So you talked about minimally invasive cardiac surgery. Sounds very interesting. Would you share with our audience a little bit more about minimally invasive cardiac surgery and the future?
Minimally invasive cardiac surgery is a field that has been developing for the last 10 years, and I am lucky to have been associated with it right from its conception, and now I have accumulated a large experience. Essentially, minimally invasive cardiac surgery involves approaching the heart from between the ribs, either right side or left side, depending on whether we are doing a valve surgery or a bypass operation. And the advantage is that since we are not cutting any bone and the incision is small, the wound heals very well, and the patient is up and about and working within maybe a week of time, doing whatever they are doing, back to their job in a week of time. And minimally invasive cardiac surgery is the surgery for the future. There is no doubt in my mind about it. The technology is so advanced, the benefit to the patients are so much. वो बात अलग है, Rajasthan is a very orthodox society, so we sort of accept change at a slower pace as compared to other parts of the world. Like, you know, when we started doing gallbladder operations, doctors started doing, initially it was a big incision, but then they started doing it laparoscopically through very small incisions. But Jaipur took some time to adapt to that, and now everybody wants a laparoscopic cholecystectomy. The same way, more and more people come to us asking for a minimally invasive operation, which is a thing for future. With the new hardware, we can do almost all bypass operations and valve replacement, and quite a few of congenital or pediatric operation through this approach of minimally invasive cardiac surgery, which essentially will not involve cutting any bone in the body, and the recovery is faster, the incision are cosmetic. Young people are very excited to have an incision which is not visible at all. It is hidden, submammary incisions, it is hidden and not staring at everyone in the center of your chest. So like I said, the advantages are huge, and it is just because we are an orthodox society that people are a little skeptical about new things, but you will see in coming times most of the cardiac surgery will shift to minimally invasive cardiac surgery. That is the thing for the future. Also, we are going to have a lot of aortic and heart transplant surgeries and pediatric surgeries, which are still a little bit on the back step in this city. But coming future is going to see a lot of diseases like this being tackled and not referred to outside Rajasthan. And that is what we are endeavoring at our unit at RBH, is to have all cardiac diseases tackled under one roof. From a 1-day-old newborn child to a 70-year-old bypass or an aortic stenosis patient, everything available under one roof. That is what we are striving to achieve at RBH Jaipur.
So Jaipur, Rajasthan, now you know that you do not have to go out. Our motive in Pink Heart 2.0 is why go far. As you hear Dr. Mathur sir talking about that Jaipur, Rajasthan, Rukmini Billah Hospital is ready to tackle all cardiac diseases, heart problems under one roof. Have faith, have trust on the medical system. Don't be afraid anymore. Come and get yourself revived again. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time with us. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for having me. Thank you very much.